What's going on, my good people? It is I, Cbetz Gaming, and I'm back with another video, man. To God be the glory, man. To God be the glory. I'm gonna tell y'all, man, I've been going through a lot. It's been hard times, down times, whatever you want to call it. It's been rough out here. And so this video is gonna be totally different than what y'all are used to, at least from me. This is about a side hustle that has helped me financially to just kind of catch up on bills and just pay back stuff that I owe. It's been huge, actually huge in helping me, because I've been down in the dumps, boy, I tell you. And I know times are hard right now. I know a lot of y'all are going through a lot of stuff. You know, we got a new president, you know, that might be affecting some of y'all. It's okay. It's okay as long as you believe in God and trust in Him with your heart. Everything's gonna be okay. You got to make Him the center of your life, not just a part of your life. All right. So listen here. I'm gonna teach you guys about my side hustle and how I increased my hourly wages from $12 to $15 an hour to now $25 to $30 an hour. So stick with me now. I'm gonna tell you. Okay, the side hustle. Y'all ready for this? Door dashing, y'all. I'm telling y'all, door dashing. This is what I do now, alright? I know it doesn't sound appealing. I know. I get it. But yes, I DoorDash now, so you can call me, instead of Cbetz Gaming, Cbetz the DoorDasher. You can call me DDB, DoorDash Bets, you know what I'm saying? You can call me whatever you want to call me, man. But I'm a DoorDasher now. And I've been having a blast doing it, honestly. I've been meeting a bunch of people. From the people at the restaurants that hand me the items, the people that are also door dashers. They actually ask me a lot of like tips and stuff, so that's really why I'm making this video, to kind of help them out. But if any of y'all are door dashing from any state, it doesn't matter. I'm in Albuquerque, so my videos will be more towards Albuquerque. But when I say Albuquerque, New Mexico, so mine will be more towards that. But yeah, you can use the same tips in whatever city you're in and still increase your hourly wages. I'm telling you, you just gotta stick with me now. And now, if y'all don't believe me, I know 12 to 15 an hour is probably realistic. That's what people probably make. I'm telling y'all, I'm doing 25 to 30 now. And I'm gonna show y'all. I started back in October, right? I know y'all ain't gonna believe me, man. Should I show y'all this? But I'm gonna show you. Alright, so I started back in October, right? And so I was making, let me get out the light, like, started at 65, okay, 200. So 200 was probably like consistent weekly, because if I'm only doing 3 hours for 25 days, that's about accurate. So November, I didn't know, I didn't learn. I was just trying stuff out. December, trying stuff out. I was actually in San Antonio during that time, so. But now, January, look at the difference. Look at the difference. I went up 400 something a week, 300 something a week, 500 something a week, 300 something a week. So now, seeing that that's what I'm bringing in, I'm still doing the same hours. I didn't increase my time for money. That's the issue with DoorDashing, is you're using your time to make, you know, a small amount of money. But I'm here to teach y'all, man. I'm here to teach y'all. You can increase your hourly wages if you follow my steps. Alright, so like, for the kids out there, if y'all are watching, man, I know temptation is out there. Y'all are thinking, you know, hey, let's join the drug game and sell some drugs. No, please, no. Let's go rob a old lady, steal her purse and get some money. No, man. Do something that is safe. Well, I can't say DoorDash is fully safe, because you can get in car accidents and stuff, but it's safer than doing that wild stuff. Okay, so let's get away from that. Let's do something like this. DoorDashing could be therapeutic. You can listen to music while you're DoorDashing. You can listen to podcasts. You can call your mama. You can call your daddy. You know what I'm saying? There's things you can do while you're DoorDashing, and you can make it fun. And so I'm here to teach y'all again. I'm gonna give y'all all my little tips. I'm gonna be fully transparent with y'all. And so we'll go from there. Hopefully y'all follow me on my journey. Stick with me. I got you. What Chad Ochocinco say? Stick with me now. Y'all. I got you, man. So tune into the next video. Will be the top 10 tips, and then from there I'll probably go in more depth for each tip. So rock with your boy. I got y'all, man. Y'all know the slogan, man. Take care of your health. Go get that wealth and strive for prosperity. Always remember, that's a bet. And keep God first, man. Keep God first, y'all. I'm telling y'all, it's a big difference. It's a big difference. Remember that.